And now we're gonna walk this beauty, and hopefully the water won't rush us. Water's getting rougher. They're definitely releasing some. Try to get to that bridge over there.
We're supposed to get a storm tonight, so the wind's starting to roll in. I don't know if I can get it, but like...
I'm like halfway over.
There in the distance, if you watch, like the tree is just like moving crazy. Look at it bend. It was bending crazier before.
Little branches hit each other.
So we're just gonna head back towards the visitor center. We're not gonna do the bear paw loop right now. Winds are just a little bit too strong. The trees are going like crazy. Don't want to be on the inside here. All right, so we're gonna check out closer towards the river, and maybe the water rolls up a little bit more. Who knows? The sirens did go off earlier, and the lights are still flashing. Never seen this happen, so I'm not sure what to expect. Making it back to the bridge. One of them. So I think there's two that crosses over. Oh, here, you can see here. Centennial Olympics, 1996.
So this is on the other side of the bridge. There's trails here. We're probably not going to take them necessarily right now, but the question becomes, if we continue on this trail, will we be able to get back?
Not sure. It's nice here though.
It is beautiful, and it feels cooler. Yeah.
At some point, and maybe do this trail. It's the Copper Mine Trail, I think.
Copper Mine Trail. All right, Ola stayed over there. I just went over past that part a little bit. Hopefully it'll be passable when I get back. I just wanted to see what else there was, just to see if it's worth it and if the trail's anything good, so let you decide. Remember how I got it? I think I came this way, but I'm still walk this way. Made it. All right, the light's a bit weird, but I'm trying to walk down by the water again because we couldn't do that trail. It got very hot and very windy. A lot of trees down. So we're gonna play it smart, hopefully, because I wanted to see this bridge and this lighthouse tower thing. So let's go get it. It's beautiful being down by the water. It's so amazing how powerful it feels. Wanted to see if we'll be able to climb this one. This is one, she's about as tall as this one. It doesn't look like you can't go up there, but you can't get up and you can't go to the top. It's locked, unfortunately. It stinks. Oop. Want to climb up? Those aren't real steps. What the? Oh, she's going for it.
End the video here. We're a little bit windswept. Windstorm's picking up. Like I said earlier, we're gonna have a storm tonight, so
I just want to leave my hair like this. You can see we went at the end, right before we got into the car, this
like a
huge
wind tunnel.
Gust of just wind that came through. People are like they'd be like, oh, like that stuff flying everywhere. I was like, holy mackerel.
We definitely have to come here maybe again in the future.
Yeah.
Just to do the trails.
Yeah, supposedly, there's one last section of the copper mine trail, or copper...
Yeah, we walked a little bit of it. We stood by the water. The water was like amazing.
2.6, 2.7 one way. And it's the last remaining section of the trail that used to once be here.
Yeah, they restored it to like how it was historically.
Yeah, so that's pretty awesome.
So like always, we hope you enjoyed following along with us on our adventure, and Chris, you take it away this time.
Take it away? Okay, I'm trying to make sure the wind didn't blow. As always, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that if you haven't already. Hit comment. We'd love to hear from you. You know, we like getting comments. We love hearing from people to see what they think about our videos, about where they'd like to go. Please share it with anyone who you think might be interested. We appreciate it. We'd like to grow and reach more people. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.